Welcome to Cindy's Table. For our very first episode, I'm taking you with me to Nobu Atlantic City, located inside the beautiful Ocean Casino Resort. From the moment we arrived, the atmosphere felt elegant, lively, and exciting. Through the windows, we could see the Atlantic Ocean, the boardwalk, and the city lights beginning to glow as evening arrived. Nobu is famous around the world for bringing traditional Japanese flavors together with modern creativity and beautiful presentation. Every dish felt carefully designed, not only to taste delicious, but also to look like a small work of art. We enjoyed delicate sashimi, fresh seafood, flavorful warm dishes, crisp vegetables, beautifully presented specialties, and several memorable courses. Some flavors were light and refreshing, while others were rich, savory, and comforting. What made the evening especially memorable was the complete experience. The view, the elegant dining room, the attentive service, the colors, the presentation, and the pleasure of sharing a beautiful meal. Thank you for joining me at Nobu Atlantic City. This is only the beginning of our journey through food, wine, travel, memorable places, and home cooking. I hope you'll join me again. See you at the next table.